Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is Make Dog Food Day. I've had several people this week ask me to please show them how I've made my dog food. Now, if you go to my channel and you type in any reference, making dog food, making my own dog food, on my channel, type that in, one of my videos should pop up, click on it, and it'll give you an absolute detail on how I make the dog food. But I'm gonna do one again today because we need to make dog food. So here's how we start. Simple process and very cost effective. But anyhow, I do it in a crock pot. I have my, I don't know how many quarts this is, probably, help me out, 24 quarts crock pot. Plug it in and I turn it on high. All I know is this crock pot is old. I've had it at least 20 years and I love it. Then we buy, when it's on sale only, either chicken breast, chicken thighs, or chicken legs. Breast happened to be on sale this week, $1.67 a pound. Last week it was $2.99 a pound. We held out because I still have 2 bags of prep dog food ready. So we held out. And it went on sale again, $1.67. Now this time last year, it was selling at 99 cents a pound. But we know those days are gone. So we got it at $1.67 a pound. So let's get it in the crock pot. So I buy the boneless legs or breast this week, and look how big those are. Just gonna lay them right in the crock pot. Huge. 8 pounds is your limit, so that's what I bought. I don't add any water. I just close it up and let it cook for 3 to 4 hours, whenever the chicken's done. Once it's done, this is gonna be such an easy one for you to watch at a short period of time. Once the chicken's done, I turn it on low, and then I add some of the frozen carrots that I've already blanched, pre-cooked, and I've had them in the freezer for months. So I'm gonna put in 3 packs of carrots and just leave them in there to cook down with the chicken. And I add 1 cup of white rice, 1 cup of water. I cover it again. I let it cook on low for about an hour. When it's done, I unplug it, turn it off. It's all done. I then shred the chicken with a fork, bag it in the baggies. So we have chicken and carrots and rice, or chicken and sweet potato and rice. Now I've been using sweet potatoes, however, they're too expensive. They want $1.96 for 1 potato. Not happening on my watch. So we're gonna use carrots. Dogs love carrots. You can also use peas. Use whatever vegetable you want. So once I get it all cooked, then I bag it into individual servings from my 128 pound Akita. And I traditionally get right around 30 bags. And then we have another month's supply of dinner, or another month's supply of food for the Koji. And my cost is 8 times 2 is 16, 14, 13, about $17 to feed him for a month. That's pretty damn good. Here we go. So it's been 3.5 hours that the chicken's been cooking down for the dog food. And as you can see, there's some great broth in there. And I did not add any water. This is all the water that is coming out of the chicken because, as you know, they plump it up with water so they can sell the weight and make more money with less meat bulk because it has water in it. So it weighs it heavier, so they'll be getting more for their dollar. Slimy, but that's our corporate America. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cup of rice and carrots and let it continue to cook. Okay, so I don't need to add any more water. There's plenty of water in there from the chicken itself. I'm just gonna dump in the carrots. And I have 2 prepped bags that's been in the freezer for about 4 months. In they go. And those will cook down nicely. Then I'll be able to break them up a little bit more when I shred the chicken. And now let's add the cup of rice. And that, my friends, is how you make dog food. Lots of options out there. This is how I do it. Turn that over so the rice gets down in the water. And then what's gonna happen here is the rice is going to absorb the moisture. Then you'll see I can just shred that chicken so nicely and get it back. So we're gonna let this cook for another hour. And then it'll be ready to turn it off. And I'll set it in the refrigerator tonight. And tomorrow I'll get it portioned into individual serving bags for the dog. The money market. Was New York Life and Mutual, no?
I don't think so, but I'll look.
It might just be junk mail.
I think that's what it is. I think they're trying to sell me old people life insurance.
Huh.
Your current, this doesn't make any sense. They're trying to sell me something, yes. Life circumstances change. I can read all that.
Brand new rates.
Take me till tomorrow.
Oh, we can get you $150,000 coverage for only $455 a month.
You know that's not true.
That's what it says.
Oh, for life insurance?
Yeah, this is through AARP.
Yeah, well.
They try anything to get old
You
people money, don't they?
Old people don't need life insurance, they just need to live.
That's right.
They don't care about.
That's what Auntie Mame said, right?
Right.
Live.
Jump. Yeah, so far, this says important on the outside, so this is.
Well, they all say important. That's how they try
Well,
to
this is like a real company, however.
Yeah. That color looks good on you.
Okay.
It's a pretty color.
I'd wear it for you.
Pretty and pink.
I wouldn't wear it to dinner.
No.
With the guys, because they call me something.
Diva.
Or worse.
All right.
This is not a bill, so then.
Let's get this
It
dog
can't be
food
that
prepped.
important.
Let's get this dog food prepped. Here we go. So I have all his food here in the crock pot. All I have to do is shred the chicken, and then we'll get it in the bags.
You're not gonna put it in the processor?
No, I'm gonna use a fork and shred it.
Oh,
I could put it in the processor, but it shreds it so small.
be a lot faster.
That's true. I'll just put it in the processor.
And you don't have to put big pieces, cut it up a little.
Well, I take the fork and shred it.
Well, you just cut it up.
I'll put it in the food processor. It's faster. Okay. Good idea.
That way it's all mixed up too.
Okay, so I have Koji dog food here made. In the first part of the video you saw yesterday, so I cooked the chicken down. It's ready now to shred. And then I put in the carrots and the rice. So we'll shred the chicken, put it back in, mix it up, and bag it. Koji, you're gonna get chicky. Not now, later. Shouldn't have said that, now he's all excited. Here we go. That quick. Koji, your food tastes good. So we'll put the shredded chicken back in here. Then we'll get it all mixed up together. thinking about?
What, I'm just not thinking, I was just watching you do that.
I see. It makes a lot of food.
Yeah. That thing really works pretty good.
Oh, I like it very much.
Doesn't seem to struggle. That was a lot to ask of it.
All right. Done.
So how that was a good use of time to get that up?
Yeah, good use of time.
Yeah.
So that 8 pounds of chicken makes a lot of dog food. And let's get it mixed up. The chicken, the rice, and the carrots. All mixed up together. A nice healthy dinner for the dog. Now humans can eat this too, because it's just chicken, rice, and carrots. That's all it is. You're shaking your head, Kevin. You wouldn't eat it?
No.
Would you like me to give you a bowl with a fork?
No, you just make baby food and give it to your baby.
All right. All right, let's get this in bags. So I scoop the dog food into my bags. And this is the part that takes the longest, is cutting bags, which I do not like doing. But if I want to prep, this is what I do. So I put in 2 good size spoonfuls into each bag. I'll go ahead and put the rest of this in here. There's not much. Okay, so we have all the dog food bagged. And the next procedure is to seal them up. Put a moist and air seal it. And get the moisture out. When I'm done here, I'll count how many bags I have and give you the math on the cost. And there, my dog has dog food. For 8 pounds of chicken. So we're done with the chicken. I got 15 bags. My total cost for the 8 pounds of chicken breast, the 3 packages of carrots, and the cup of rice comes out to $12.62. Now I know that because I know what each bag of carrot cost me, because I'm spending $8.99 for 10 pounds of carrots. And I get 40 bags out of that, which comes out to 23 cents a bag. So with all that added in, plus the cup of rice, it's costing me 85 cents a bag to feed my dog, which is $12.61. Now I got 15 bags, which means I'm gonna have to do it again in 15 days or in 2 weeks. So if we've got, let's round it up to $13. I can feed my dog for $26 a month. I do add a 6-ounce cup of dry food with his dinner at night, and he gets a 6-ounce cup of dry food in the morning. That's how I feed him. The dry dog food that I feed him is Purina 1. And there it is. So, between his 12 ounces of dry dog food every day and his package of wet food, I feed a 128-pound dog for. Now this dry food recently, and the reason I started doing this is for the dog's health as well as cost. The Pro One bag of dog food, I'll show you. Purina 1, turkey and venison. This is a 15-pound bag of dog food. This will last my Koji for 6 weeks, somewhere around there. This used to cost $18 for 15 pounds. It's now up to $31. That's why we started doing this as well, price. And the prices kept creeping up since last year. So if I fed him just dry dog food, it would cost me roughly $65 a month versus $25 a month. Every little bit of savings counts. So that's why I prep this food. And keep in mind, if you have a smaller dog, you would get half this amount of food for your dog. Mine's a 128-pound doggy, so he eats that. So I thank you for coming along. Take a look at my video. I hope this helps you to make your dog food. Do it any way you do it. You do you, boo. You do it the way it works for you. I do what works for my dog and what works for my house. So I hope this gave you some type of information. Hit the like button, please. And if you would like to subscribe, please do so. So we'll see you on the next video. Ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.